Welcome to Bishop State Community College. I'm Chef Gabi Wilson over the Culinary Arts program, and we're going to do a series of videos of nutritious food that's also low cost and that you'll want to eat. So come cook with us. We're going to make frittatas. A frittata is sort of like an omelet, but we bake it in the oven instead. And then what's convenient about it is that we can make 12 of them, which would be 6 servings, and eat 2 of them today and then save the rest of them and reheat them for breakfast all throughout the week. So it's a great way to get a high protein breakfast every day without having to wake up and make breakfast every day. The recipe calls for frozen vegetables, but really you can use any kind of vegetable that you would like to eat with eggs. So we've got frozen spinach and then a corn, pepper, onion mix that just came out of the generic bags in the freezer section of the grocery store. You can certainly open your fridge and take yesterday's roasted chicken or the green beans or any other things that you might want to have with your eggs. And we'll scramble up some eggs with a little bit of milk. The milk helps the moisture so that our finished product isn't rubbery or chewy. And besides that, we really just need some cheese and salt and pepper. I've taken a muffin pan and I've sprayed it with the pan spray. Went ahead and did the top too, just to make cleanup easy. Because I don't necessarily want to use muffin papers here. The eggs will overflow and be stuck underneath and you'll have paper everywhere. So what we'll do is we'll just take some of the vegetables and put a little bit in each cup. And you can season it however you'd like to. You want to put in a little bit of garlic, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Any of these things will create a lot of great flavor. This corn and pepper mix is also kind of smoky, so it's going to create a lot of depth of flavor in our egg mixture. Our eggs here, we can season the eggs so it'll be easier to disperse all the flavors. A little bit of salt, a good amount of pepper. If I do a good amount of pepper and other seasonings, I can get away with not having to do as much salt. And then cheddar cheese, what we're using today. And we'll just ladle a little bit of the egg mixture into each of these cups. These will bake in the oven at 375 degrees for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to see that they are set and cooked throughout. So here are frittatas. They come out of the oven. We've got some good color, but not too toasty. We got a little bit of cheese explosion, looks amazing. We'll just simply, we should be able to just take them right out and put them on the plate to eat. Like I said, the idea here is you can put whatever vegetables you want in it. You can cut up some extra sandwich meat that you have and put it in there, a little sausage. Keep it healthy, make sure you throw some vegetables in every time. And then take these guys, and once they cool down, wrap them up and put them in the fridge. You can microwave them for about 15, maybe 30 seconds at the most, and eat them on the go. Here we have our vegetable frittata.